I want to hear what was it like? What was the struggle a couple weeks ago?
Just not knowing whether things would be okay or not. I was very uncertain, very scared, was second guessing myself. Was it the right decision I made? Did I commit properly? There's a lot of hesitation, overthinking, paralysis
Overthinking,
by now.
hesitation, paralysis analysis. And what else? What was the big one for you?
Grief,
Grief.
grief of
Oh.
what had happened and the way it happened.
And I recall anxiety was controlling you.
And yeah, that was a
Did you
month ago
forget?
before it all happened. Yeah, 3 weeks ago
Yeah. And
before it
so
all
is
happened.
anxiety controlling you now?
No,
Okay. Like are you struggling anymore with you said you were struggling with
no,
internally? No? Okay.
no.
Are you happy?
I'm way happier,
Are
much
you
better.
are you at peace? More at peace?
Yeah,
Okay. What? My gosh. Who's this man? Tell me who are you? Like just in general, like what shifted?
he faced his biggest fear head on and didn't back away from it. That's what he did. He faced the fear head on, knowing how bad it was going to get, knowing how messy it was going to get, and committed through and through with it.
Yeah. And what are you most proud of right now?
And the fact that we passed the storm and didn't derail ourselves with it. We didn't relapse into bad habits throughout the storm.
Because I hear that you fell in love with the storm.
Yeah.
You fell in love with the storm.
Mm.
The storm was only current, not permanent. And you believed
Mm.
it was permanent before because it was who you believe yourself to be, your identity. But now
Mm.
who are you? How are you showing up today in life, in this moment?
Nothing to hide.
Hmm.
No internal battles, no demons to fight. Congruent, aligned, consistent.
Was it worth it?
100%.
So glad you said yes, man.